Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your battery usage on your Motorola phone. So if you've been using your phone a lot and you're kind of curious what apps are using the most, battery, let's go on down from the top right and go to settings. Scrolling down to battery. And then we have the battery usage right on top, view usage since last charge. And we can do it view by apps right here or view by systems. So we can see CPU, blah, 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 but let's go by apps. Messenger was my most used app at 8%. Screen time is 7 minutes. Background, 5 hours, 59 minutes. So this is always running in the background, which is kind of annoying. So a lot of times you just want to force close the app or just force stop it right there so it's not using battery in the background. So you can see if you have some big users on here, and then we got Google Play Services background for 3 days. So I was just kind of leaving my phone running. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.